To replace the battery, first you would have to take out the key inside the remote, just like that. Now I will use a screwdriver like this and I will try punching it on that spot right there. You could see that spot right there. While the screwdriver is there, we will rotate the screwdriver, and there you see both sides of the key is taken apart, just like that. We'll punch in the screwdriver on the corner and then pull the key outwards. There we took out the battery right there. This is the battery type needed for this kind of remote. It is a CR2032 type battery. There we got the new battery and will be installing it in the remote. To install the battery, make sure the plus sign stays at the top, and while installing, just make sure you are sliding the battery just like that. Pay attention, the battery needs to be slided downwards like that because there is two tabs right here holding on to the battery, and once it's in, then we will push the battery downwards. Right there. Now we will go ahead and put both sides together. We make sure all the edges are aligned appropriately and then we will give it a slight push. Seems like it's good from all over the edges. Now I will go ahead and punch in the key. And there it is, we have replaced the battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.